Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unlink Instagram from TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to unlink Instagram from TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone. From over here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And on this interface, guys, you can see there is the edit profile button available for us just over here, just beside the share profile. Tap on edit profile, and over here your social media accounts will be over here at the bottom of the screen, where you can see the Instagram and YouTube. Now in order to unlink your Instagram from TikTok, tap on Instagram, and this kind of interface will appear where it says that your Instagram link will be removed from your profile. Tap on confirm, and then your Instagram will be unlinked from TikTok. And with that being said, guys, this is how to unlink Instagram from a TikTok account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.